My lunch is a blender full of anti-aging weapons. Welcome to the 200-Year Life Project. This is the ultimate longevity journey. I'm Gary Leland. I'm 7 years old, and I'm dead serious about becoming the first person to reach 200 years old. Welcome to the 200-Year Life Project. This is the ultimate longevity journey. I'm making so many tweets that one episode will be a 12-hour audiobook, so we're breaking it down one weapon at a time. And today, I'm talking about my lunch, the Monster Power Shake that my wife Kathy blends us every single day. This thing is so nutrient dense, it should probably come with a warning label, I kid you not. The full recipe is already in my database at garyleland.com/data. Go steal it, copy it, tweak it, then try to beat me to 200. You're going to need a full-size blender because this beast is loaded. Now here's what's in the shake and the reason for every ingredient in the shake. First of all, we have 1 cup of arugula. It contains rocket fuel nitrates, nitric oxide, causes blood pressure to drop in, better blood flow. Half an avocado contains heart-healthy fats, potassium, soluble fiber, keeps blood sugar flat, keeps you full for hours. 1/3 cup of bean sprouts, live enzymes, insane vitamin C. 6 pellets of black pepper, cranks curcumin absorption 2,000%, blocks new fat cells, and sharpens your memory. 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, brain protection, DNA repair, insulin sensitivity. 1/3 cup of chia seeds, soluble fiber, omega-3s, protein turns into gut-loving gel. 6 grams of pure cocoa powder, flavonoids, crush inflation, skyrocket nitric oxide, feed good bacteria, natural mood rocket. 20 grams of collagen rebuilds joints, skin, gut, living arteries. It's great. 1.5 inches of fresh ginger root. Gingerol beets ibuprofen for inflammation, settles stomach, boosts testosterone. 1/4 cup of kale. A K1 and K2 combo, which deteriorates cells, keeps calcium out of your arteries. 1/3 cup of protein powder, which triggers muscle protein synthesis, so I don't turn into a fragile old man. 2 tablespoons of spirulina powder. Spirulina is 70% protein, has the highest chlorophyll on the planet. It is an anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. Allergic acid, vitamin C, low sugar sweetness, skin and DNA protection. 1.5 inches of fresh turmeric, protects the brain, kills joint pain. 1/3 cup of spinach, shields the brain, sharpens cognition, and fights inflammation for better joints and longevity. Then I add ice and water, blend it all up into a smoothie. Bottom line, 1 blender pitcher is a nuclear strike on inflammation, oxidation, gut damage, and brain aging. It's a longevity multivitamin you can drink through a straw. Kathy makes it for me every day, 0 cooking, tastes like a chocolate berry smoothie, and keeps me lean, strong, and sharp at 71. Summary. My daily protein shake is a full blender packed with arugula, spinach, kale, 1/2 an avocado, bean sprouts, frozen blueberries, strawberries, fresh ginger, turmeric, black pepper, chia seeds, pure cocoa, collagen, protein powder, and spirulina. 1 pitcher delivers massive nitrates for blood flow, soluble fiber, sky-high antioxidants, curcumin absorption on steroids, complete protein for muscle preservation, and a pharmacy of vitamins and minerals. Result, inflammation crushed, blood pressure down, gut healed, brain protected, joints rebuilt, and 0 cooking. Now, as I said, the recipe is at my public database, garyleland.com/data. Go copy it. Final thoughts. If this lights even a small fire under you, hit subscribe right now. Let's build the wildest longevity community on earth. Share your blood markers, your tweaks, your wins. Let's get this going. Together, we're hitting 200, and as always, I'm not a doctor, and I'm definitely not your doctor. I'm just a boomer having the time of my life chasing the ultimate prize. Check with your doctor before you copy anything I do. Now, I hope to bring out an episode every other week or so. That's my goal, so please, make sure, subscribe today, and I'll see you on the next episode. And thanks for watching.